What's up, guys? It's Freddie. I have a car called the lebaron. I don't know if you guys ever heard it. And don't bitch and say that I have a crappy car, because this is a sleeper, guys. You wouldn't expect it. So let me take you outside. Here it is. See? It doesn't look like it's fast, right? It looks like it's just a piece of shit on the street, right? Right? I know what you're thinking. This is nothing but a piece of shit. But let me tell you what this has. Let me take you on the other side so you can see this. It says it right here. It says it right here. See if I can get it clear. There you go. V6. It's a V6 supercharged engine. So yeah, let me show you how this sounds. I'm gonna rev it a little bit. I got some stuff inside. My seat covers. I got a little window thing over here. You can see it. Got my sound system in the back. Yes, I know it's very ghetto, but it's whatever. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna put the thing back here, and I'm just gonna rev it. You can't really see much. Hold on. See if I can get something here. Maybe you can put it on top of. Let's see. Can you see it now? There you go. Alright, so here we go, guys. Here comes the V6 supercharger. So yeah, as you can see, this one's a sleeper, guys. You never expect it, would you? Oh crap, door locked. Hold on. Yep, guys. This is my baby right here. This is a sleeper. People don't expect it much, but when I get on the side of a car, I rev it up, they're ready to race, and I usually tend to win. Right now my record is in racing is 8-2, 8 wins, 2 losses. The 2 losses were by really good cars. They were really pretty soup. One of the cars, let me think. One of the cars was a Jesus Christ, a 350Z. Yeah, I was stupid for racing that because 350Zs are fucking crazy fast, but the other one was, I forgot what the other one was, but yeah, but the other races were usually mostly Hondas. I beat an Evo, Mitsubishi Evo, so yeah, there it is, guys. That's my master.